new learning, so I decided to go ahead and show you what to do even though I'm not here. So today we are learning the last piece for our systems unit. We're going to learn to solve systems of inequalities, and the only way we're going to be doing that is through graphing. We've seen this already. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh, and of course my pen's not working. Let's see if this works. You guys ready? There we go. Okay. So y is greater than 2x plus 4. So we've seen this before. We know how to graph in slope-intercept form. 4 is your b, your y-intercept. That's where you start. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a point. And then 2 is your slope. So from 4, you're going to rise 2, run 1. Put a point. Rise 2, run 1. Put a point. How graphing inequalities was different is you needed to choose two things. You had to choose between a dotted or solid line. So remember, when y is less than or y was greater than, we had a dotted line. This is dotted. And then when y, can't write on there. When y was less than equal to or y was greater than equal to, we just had a solid line. So, in our example, we have y is greater than. So we're actually only going to have a dotted line. So I'm just going to draw that right here. Voila. So this is a review. We have seen this before. Now what we're going to be doing, just like with when we were graphing just linear equations, we're just going to be graphing two lines at once. So let me show you how to do that. Let me erase all of this business. Let me get a bigger eraser here. There we go. Fabulous. Okay. Back to the pen. Here we go. So you'll have something like this. Y is less than or equal to negative x minus 2. And y is greater than or equal to negative 5x plus 2. So the first thing you want to do is graph each line. So I'm going to start from my first line at negative 2. From there, I'm going to go down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1, and so on. Now, I need to make a choice. Should I use a dotted or solid line? This right here has a solid line underneath, so I'm using a solid line. Okay, now the other piece deals with shading. Shading above or below the line. In our equation, we have y is less than. So since it's less, you shade below the line. So all this area right here. Now let me switch colors, and I'm going to graph the other line. Let's choose purple. Okay. Next line. You start at 2. Did the colors really? Yeah, they did. Okay. Then you go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go over 1. There we go. I'm going to get another point, though. I'm going to go up 5, over 1. Now I need to make a choice. Looking at this, should I be solid or dotted? There's a solid line underneath, so I'm going to draw a solid line. Now I need to shade above or below. Well, it says y is greater. So what's greater? All of this area right here. Now you're probably thinking, Miss Russo, what's the answer? Because that's always what we're most concerned with. The answer lies in this common shaded region. So what I'm going to want you to do on your paper is outline where the two shaded regions overlap. Any point in this commonly shaded region is considered a solution. Okay? So that was really quick. I would ask you guys if you wanted me to do another. Maybe I should. Nope, I'll leave it at this. Okay, good luck. I'll send more videos in my email. You guys want to say bye? Bye. Bye.